question number 1, letter A. Number 1, choose the correct answer. Letter A. 20% of 40 kilogram equal space kilogram. Okay. 20% means 20 over 100. Question number 1, letter A. 20%, it will be 20 over 100 of its meaning multiplication by 40 kilogram equal space kilogram. Write here 0 by 0 and 0 by 0. Cancel them. 4 times 2 equal 8. The result will be 8 kilogram. Choose letter C about question number 1. Question number letter A, choose letter C. Question letter B. Which of the point lies in the second quadrant? We have here first quadrant, second, third, fourth. The sign here positive and positive. It's order. And second, we have negative and positive. And here negative and negative. And here positive and negative. Okay. He won't find second coordinates. The sign here negative and positive. Where negative and positive here? Letter B, negative 2 and 2. Okay, lies in the second quadrant, negative 2 and 2. Okay, choose letter B about this example. Next question. Letter C, the area of the opposite triangle. Write half times base times the height. We have triangle here, it's obtuse triangle, and the base was 4 centimeter, and the height, each height here, corresponding height is 3, in the area half product by the base by the height. Half times 4 times 3. The result will be half times 4 times 3. It shows result here, letter B. Choose letter B about question letter B. Next question. Letter D, the image of the point 2 and negative 1 by reflection across x-axis. Reflection of x-axis, it's meaning put x and change the sign of y. We have the point x and y. We want to find the reflection as the x-axis. We must put the x here, value of x here, and change the sign of y. Okay. What about 2 and the negative 1? The reflection about this point at x-axis, you must put x here and change the sign of y. The result will be 2 and 1. Choose letter A about question letter D. Okay. Next question, letter E. From the opposite figure, the distance between E and B is 200, then x equals space. Okay, he gives us the distance between what and what again? We have number line, and we have here B, and 0, and E. We have here 150. And he gives us the distance between E and B is 200. From E to B, 200 is the distance between E and B. And from 0 to E was 150 is the distance. Then the distance between B and O, it will be 200 subtracted by 150, it will be 50. Then you want to find the value of x. X here up this number. Okay, then the result will be what we can count from 0. 0 plus 50 equal 50. And then he want to find the value of x. X where? X here, the value of x, it will be the number of x going to the number line from right hand side about 0, it will be positive, and left hand side negative. If you want to find the distance between 0 and this number B, 0 and B, the distance between them, it will be 50. But the value of x in the number line, we have here number line 0, and here 150, and this 0 and this number 50 in the left, it will be negative 50. Okay, then the result about x will be negative 50. Okay, not the distance. If you want to find the distance between 0 or O and x, the original point, 0 and x, it will be 50. But in this example, he wants to find the value of x, then the value it will be negative 50. Because this number lies to the left-hand side from 0. Okay. Next example. The area of the opposite trapezium, we can divide it to 3 parts and find the area of each part of them and then sum the total. Or you can find the rule, half times 2 bases times by height. Okay, first from this drawing here we have 1 unit in the space. You draw here, the smallest, it's 1 part here. And here in the down 2 parts, and up 1, 2, 3, 4 side lenses here, and here 4. And the height, we can count how many units. Count with me here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 4. Then the area will be equal. First rectangle, area of rectangle 4 times 4, it's a square, okay? It will be square because 2 sides equal lenses. We know square is a rectangle, each adjacent side are equal lenses. Then the area of a square, it will be 4 by 4. And area about first triangle, half product by base product by height, plus the area of this triangle, half product by base product by height. 4 times 4 equals 16. Cancel 2 by 2 and 1 write 4. 4 divided by 2 equal 2. 16 plus 4 equal 20. 20 plus 2 equal 22. Then the area here, it will be 22 square units. 22 square units. Okay, the result 22. Question letter B, complete here. 1 subtract by 20% plus 35%. Letter B, 1 subtract 20% plus 35%. We know 1 equal 100%. Subtract by some of them 20 plus 35, it will be 55%. And the result will be 100 subtract by 55. It will be 45. 45%, you can sample it, write 45 over 100, or you can sample it again, 45 divided by 5 equal 9, 100 divided by 5 equal 20, and the result will be 45 over 100, or 9 over 20, or 45%. That was question letter B. Letter C, from the opposite 10 by 10 grade, 17% of a number, we have 17% of a number equal what? Equals 68. Then 17% product by a number equals 68. We won't find the number. Number equals 68 divided by 17%. We can write 68 divided by 17%, it's meaning divided by 17 over 100. And we can write 68 product here, convert, write 18 over 17. 68 divided by this number, it will be 4. 4 times 100, it will be 400. Then the result here will be 400. Okay, it's a grade here. Then the result will be 400 right here in this place. We have 400, and it was the total number. Okay, you won't find the total number. The total number reversed to the numbers here was 400, and the part of them, it will be, it's a part, okay, the part of them was 68. It's a part, this area of this colored part here will be 68, and the total was 40. The number here was the 40, the result will be 40, and the each one here reversed to 17%. Okay, and we know the result here is 68 divided by 17 equal 4. Okay, and we have the total number about the result. Okay, then the result here will be 400. The area of square equal S times S. About letter E, area S product by S, or S square. Question number 3, plot the point, then determine the type of the shape. Okay, we will draw graphical 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 negative 1 negative 2 negative 3 okay. First point here E2 and 5 going to and up 5 units, then it will be point E2 and 5, and the order of the point B negative 2 and 5, negative 2 and up here to 5, and point C negative 2 and negative 1, negative 2 here and negative 1 down. Okay, then we will have right angle triangle here. From 1 to 5 we have 6 units here, and from 2 it will be 4 units. Then you want to find what here, what's the type of this triangle. We can write this triangle right angle triangle. Okay, the shape was triangle, and the type of this triangle right angled triangle. Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Okay, it was letter A. Letter B, which one is the greater in the area? We can find the area of one. We have parallelogram and corresponding what here dimensions. We have parallelogram whose base 12 centimeter and this corresponding height 10 centimeter, or rectangle. Okay, we must combine between two shape here. First was parallelogram, such as this. He give us the area of he give us the base is 12 centimeter of parallelogram, and its height, corresponding height, was 10 centimeter. Okay, then the area will be 12 product by 10. The area of parallelogram, write the height of the base 12 product by the corresponding height 10. The result will be 120 centimeter, and then we can write the area about rectangle. Okay, give us rectangle, 2 dimension 14 and 8, 14 centimeter and 8 centimeter, and the area will be write 14 product by 8. 4 times 8 equals 32, write 2 and carry up 3. 1 times 8 equal 8, 8 plus 3 equal 11, then the result will be 112 square centimeter. Okay, he asked about the greatest or the greater. The area of what greater? 120 greater than 12. Then the area of parallelogram is the greater. We can write the area of parallelogram is greater. Okay, it's the last question.